Visual prompts make editing easier, faster, and more precise than ever. Let us show you how it works. Start by picking an image and clicking Edit Image to open it in the image editor. Now, toggle on the visual prompting, already set with Nano Banana model. Say you want the girl to wear this sweater. Upload the reference and drop it where you want the change to happen. Then add a short description to help guide the AI. No need for a long, complex prompt. The feature allows up to 6 references at once, so you can add something else to the characters, like these skaters. Generate the new look, and if you're happy with the outcome, click Save. You'll have your new visual in seconds. Use this feature to add or modify anything in your design. Whatever image references you include, the AI will keep the rest of the visual intact. And remember, the more specific your notes, the better the result. There you have it, your edits, ready for use in campaigns, social posts, or presentations.